Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a directory, for example, desktop in your favorite section in your Finder. So for that, you just need to open the Finder. And as you can see here, under favorites, I don't have the desktop section. And I want to add the desktop directory in the favorite section. So to add that, what we can do is, first of all, you need to open the Finder window. So you can open any directory in the Finder. Once the Finder opens, you will be able to see this Finder option in the menu. So I'm going to click on Finder and then I'm going to click on the settings option, which is going to open this kind of settings. The first section here is for general, second is tags. We need to open the third option, which is for the sidebar. So I'm going to click on sidebar, and you can see right now in my case, this checkbox in front of desktop is unchecked. So I'm going to check this option, and you can see this desktop section is added under my favorites, right? So once I close this window, now I can see the desktop section under the favorites. Now there is one more way using which you can add any folder to your favorites section. Let's say I want to add this demo CPP folder to my favorites. I'm going to press on command and then just drag this icon in my favorites section, and it's going to add this into the favorite section. Keep in mind, it's not going to delete this from the location. It's just going to add the shortcut in your favorite section. If you want to remove this from the favorite, just right click here and then click on remove from sidebar, and it's going to remove that from the sidebar. So this is how you can add a desktop folder or any other folder in your favorite section on your MacBook. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.